I like this laundry basket. I can put a lot of dirty clothes inside. Hello everyone, today I choose to make for Barbie a laundry basket. I secure the bottom, I glue it, I cut what I don't need. I need a piece of cartoon. I cut it a little bit bigger. I take some decorative paper. It's a hard paper. You can use material or paper, or you can paint it. I glue it. I glue paper around the box. So this is my laundry basket for Barbie. Oh no! I wear so many clothes. I put them on the laundry basket. Choose scarves. And this beautiful dress. Now my bathroom looks cleaner. Oh, I need to wash also.